Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly with fruits. First, select ripe, fresh fruit for the best flavor. You'll also need sugar, pectin, and canning jars with new lids. Begin by washing and sterilizing your jars and lids in boiling water for at least 10 minutes. While they sterilize, wash your chosen fruit and chop it into small, manageable pieces, removing any stems or seeds. This preparation ensures a safe and delicious jelly. Now, place your prepared fruit into a large pot with about 1/4 cup of water. Bring it to a simmer and cook until the fruit is very soft, usually around 10 to 15 minutes. Once soft, mash the fruit thoroughly to extract as much juice as possible. Carefully pour the mashed fruit into a jelly bag or several layers of cheesecloth set over a bowl, allowing the juice to drip through overnight without squeezing. Measure the extracted fruit juice precisely. This determines the amount of sugar and pectin needed, usually a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar to juice. Combine the juice, sugar, and pectin in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Stir constantly over high heat until the mixture reaches a full, rolling boil that cannot be stirred down. Boil vigorously for exactly 1 minute, then promptly remove the pot from the heat. Carefully ladle the hot jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving a 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, center the lids, and screw on the bands finger tight. Process the filled jars in a boiling water canner for 10 minutes to ensure a proper seal. After processing, let them cool undisturbed for 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other fantastic deals. Store your sealed jelly in a cool, dark place.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.